Hello and welcome to this course on the principles of user experience and user interface, or UX and UI for short. UX and UI are all about people. Everyone wants to experience the latest technology, but they don't want to spend too much time or strain their already busy minds doing so. Therefore, if you want a website to be successful, it is crucial to get both correct. This course will give you an introduction to UX and UI. There is a lot more to be learned about these disciplines. However, the course will give you a sample and an understanding of what is involved. The course is structured around a situation that Adrian and Mario are having with their Little Lemon restaurant website. The website was designed and coded without UX and UI principles applied to the online elements of ordering food for delivery and reserving a table in the restaurant. Throughout the course, you'll be guided through the process of UX and UI methodologies to resolve one of these issues. Ordering food online from their website via a mobile device. The other issue, reserving a table, will be the theme of your final course assignment. That's just a brief overview of what the course will be like, but it does serve to illustrate some of the tasks UX and UI professionals encounter. During the course, you will be introduced to these and the many other tasks that form the duties of a UX and UI professional. In particular, you will learn to differentiate UX and UI, use Figma, one of the most popular design tools today, evaluate interactive designs, create a contemporary user interface. You will also learn to create a low-fidelity design, simple and low-tech concept. All you need for that is a pen and paper, and transform it into a high-fidelity design, which is functional and interactive and very close to the final product. And finally, create a prototype. Don't worry about these terms if you're not familiar with them. You will cover them throughout your journey in this course. In other words, in the course project, you will get to create a prototype or a mock-up of the final proposed design, which can be tested to validate ideas and design assumptions made. But you can relax. You're not expected to become a UX or UI professional right now. There are many videos in your course that will gradually guide you toward that goal. Watch, pause, rewind, and rewatch the videos until you are confident in your skills. Then consolidate your knowledge by consulting the course readings and put your skills into practice during the course exercises. Along the way, you'll encounter several knowledge quizzes where you can self-check your progress. Just like you, there are a number of people considering a career as a UX/UI professional, and the course discussion prompts will enable you to connect with them, your classmates, as you move through the materials. It's a great way to share knowledge, discuss difficulties, and make new friends. To be successful in this course, it is helpful to commit to a regular and disciplined approach to learning. You need to be serious about your study and, if possible, map out a study schedule with dates and times that you can devote to attending the course. It's an online self-paced course, but it does help to think of your study in terms of regular attendance at a learning institute. In summary, this course provides you with a complete introduction to UX and UI. Best of luck in your learning journey.